ki khubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ban pensuk ikipad ba jong ka Jylla, kakenhun Pyntrei henne kasngi ka Sautarik unai wing arajar Hapoh. Kala Mynjur ban Pyntrei kamno da ka Eastam, kum haka ban thep kam thep jam, bat haka ban Pyntrei ye ki wei pat ki jait kam. Nang ne sakmat ki padba kim dan kam su ban dang thiet ki non judicial stam pan rei kila ban shule online lang ba ka internet.
The next agenda today was relating to introduction of e-stamps in the state. I think you all know the non-judicial stamp, which is being procured all these years, is offline. You can go and buy from the designated places, or maybe from the post office or from the bank or from any places. And this time we decided that e-stamps be started in the state of Meghalaya. This will ease people far and near to go online. So again, the proposal submitted by the department was ultimately approved by the cabinet.